This emergency proceeding will hear legal arguments from the city, lawyers for the Dali, and those representing 4 federal agencies. Court motions indicate everyone has concerns, even the judge. The Dali cargo ship crew is now headed into uncharted territory. The Coast Guard granted 8 of them permission to go home. Lawyers for the city want them all to stay put, citing concerns about future opportunities to question them.
I didn't know that the city wanted the entire crew to stay. It doesn't make sense to me that the messmen, the people that, the cooks, those type of crew, it doesn't make sense to keep them here.
Judge James Bredar will hear arguments Thursday, but he has concerns, writing, an order enjoining the crew members from leaving the jurisdiction would implicate their liberty interests. The court would not take such an action lightly, and in particular, not without assurance that it had the authority to issue such an order and crew members' rights would be adequately protected.
The crew will need our continued support. They are still people who are not from here that will be here for the foreseeable future.
In a motion filed Tuesday in federal court, the city's outside counsel argues there's no guaranteed way to make the crew available for future questioning if they're allowed to leave the country. City attorneys reminded the court the crew has critical knowledge and information about the Key Bridge collision. They write, if they are permitted to leave the United States, claimants may never have the opportunity to question or depose them. The crew has been stuck on board since the March accident.
Some of us that are caring for them, including the unions, the International Transport Workers Federation, we've worked to petition for shore leave. It has been denied each time.
According to court motions, lawyers for the Dali owners point out that the crew has been interviewed by the Department of Justice. Lawyers contend if clients were brought in for depositions, they would advise them to invoke their Fifth Amendment rights, writing, under those circumstances, we see no purpose in convening depositions on an emergency basis to accomplish this formality.
I do know that from speaking with the lawyers involved that at least half of the crew was going to be detained here. They'll be put up in apartments or hotels for that time.
Where they would stay and who would foot the bill is not known. The Dali was scheduled to leave for repairs in Norfolk tomorrow. Reporting from federal court downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.